W2. Alright, just chilling over here. McDonald's while my wife, as you can see, I'm using the mirror to reflect of what she's doing. She is getting Redbox. She's returning 2 DVDs and getting 2 more. We just got done watching The Devil Inside and shoot, what was the other one? Underworld. Those are 2 movies we just got done watching. Now we're trying to get Mission Impossible Protocol or Prototype or some crap like that. Ghost Protocol and something else. Anyways, so man, I've been bumming it all day. Just like haven't even played games. Even though I got internet hooked up, I haven't really been playing any video games because my Modern Warfare 3 broke on me. It's scratched up, so yeah, haven't done anything. So anyways, just been bumming it. Playing on my cell phone, playing on my wife's cell phone. All the different apps. So many freaking addicting games on there. And that's all I've been doing. Just jumping on there, playing some games. Oh yeah.